Hello everybody, this is Patty and I am searing some chicken here. I have some chicken drumettes with the flats and the drums, and I have some chicken breasts, and this is my MagnaLite roaster that I'm going to put in the oven. I'm searing them first and then I'll put them in the oven and let them cook a little bit in the oven. I will be fixing some yellow rice, and this is the butter that I'm using to sear the chicken. Just get them brown a little, and then I'll come back and show you what's going on after I get them in the oven. These are the vegetables that I've cut up in my chicken. I have yellow onion, green onion, and a little bit of bell pepper and some sweet yellow and red peppers. And I'm going to make a little roux with about 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of flour, and just let the flour cook off a little, not to get it brown, real brown or anything. And I'm going to add it to this pot before putting it in the oven. I'm going to put the oven on 375 degrees, and I will cook it for about 30-35 minutes, and then I'll turn it and see what is needed, and then maybe cook it for a few more minutes, but I will let you know exactly when I return. Okay, y'all, I've made my roux, and this is the chicken with the vegetables and all of the seasons to your liking. Now I use the seasonings that I like, and I put a little bit, about a tablespoon of this better than bouillon in here, and I'm getting ready to put it in the oven. But I just wanted to bring you back and show you what I have right now. And I did the roux and all of that, and I poured it all in this MagnaLite roaster, so it's going in the oven now. Hey y'all, this is the end product of the chicken that I put in the oven in the MagnaLite roaster. Here it is. I am going to plate it and bring you back and show you what it looks like. Okay, y'all, here is the end results of my chicken that I cooked in the oven in my MagnaLite roaster. This is yellow rice, chicken smothered, chicken drumettes, and chicken breasts with the English peas, and here it is. Please like, share, subscribe, follow, tap the notification bell to be reminded of the uploads. Give me that thumb up. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel. This is Patty. Voila. Bye now.